In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille on this Kia Forte Koup. This will be mounted along the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Along the front of the vehicle, we're going to start by removing 4 push clips. To remove these, I'll be using a trim tool, but you can use pretty much any small prying tool. Continuing from here, we're going to start flexing the upper grille. I like to put something as a spacer in here, typically wood's a great idea, and along the back side of the grille and the bumper cover, we're going to find that we have 8 Phillips head mounting screws to start removing the grille from this area. Looking along each side, you're going to find 4 of those screws. One here along the top, directly below it. Continuing down, we're going to make our way diagonally towards the center of the vehicle. And then the 4th one will be closer to the center of the grille here. You'll have the exact same thing on the other side of the grille assembly, and then we can remove it. Now with that holding pressure, we can continue on with a small bit driver. I'm using a Phillips head bit here. We'll just inspect each of the mounting screws as we remove them, replace them as necessary. All of these screws should look the same. Get this 3rd one as we make our way down. Move towards the center here for our 4th mounting screw. As I mentioned before, the process is going to be the exact same thing once we get over to the other side of the grille. That last screw out of there. Now we can start removing the emblem from the grille. You only need a couple tools for this. We want something to gently start prying in between the emblem and the grille itself. But while we're putting a little bit of pressure here, not very much, we're going to be paying attention along the back side. You're going to find 4 locking tabs, 2 along each side of the emblem, holding it in place. I'm going to rest this down on something soft so I don't have to worry about scratching anything, and we can start removing these. Starting from one side, we'll gently be prying it out. After this side dislodges, I'll repeat the process on the other side, and we can completely remove the emblem from the grille. Along each one of the locking tabs, the grille actually makes its way around it and tries to make its way underneath the hook of the locking tabs. Really all you need to do is use a small pick or screwdriver, gently pull that away, and you should be able to either press down on the emblem dislodging it, or as I mentioned before, from along the forward side, use something small to gently start prying at it, just enough that it holds pressure, and we'll continue on to the next one. I can see this starting to push through. We'll continue on to the next one here. There we are. As you can see, both of my locking tabs on one side of my emblem are completely dislodged. Now it's time to repeat the process. There's our emblem. A quick inspection to make sure it is reusable. And there it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's prepare our grille for installation, starting with our emblem. Along the back side of the emblem, you have those 4 locking tabs. We'll align those with the ports on the grille and press this in. Listen for a click and make sure it's secured. We'll give it a light tug, make sure it doesn't rattle around or fall off in any way, and now we can install this whole thing on the vehicle. Before installation, a quick inspection of all 8 of our mounting screw holes, making their way all the way around this port. Now we can start resting the grille in place, aligning all of our mounting points. We'll carefully pull the top away as we continue with our mounting screws down along the bottom and the sides. It's easiest if you start with the 2 top. Just going to pull this away along the corner here. Start it in, snug it up. Make our way over here for the other top one. Just flex it as needed. Slide it into place. Start in that mounting screw. Now we can flex things as necessary. We'll continue on with our next 6 mounting screws here. The process is the exact same thing on the other side. We'll just continue making our way down the line. And we can remove that from here. We'll continue on with our 4 push clips. Press in the outer portion, lock it in with the center. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test, and listen for funny noises coming from along the front. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.